30 to 45 mile-per-hour wind gusts whipped the trees in the West Denver metro Thursday. Fall is the season for wind on the Front Range, and there's a classic setup in the atmosphere. The Front Range is stuck in a pressure gradient, sandwiched in between low pressure swirling to the northeast and high pressure to the southwest. That's channeling strong winds right over Colorado. A weather balloon clocked the jet stream moving at 150 miles per hour at 25,000 feet. That's translating to some strong winds at the surface, but not strong enough for a high wind warning. For a high wind warning to be issued for the mountains, foothills, and the adjacent plains like Fort Collins, Boulder, and the West Denver suburbs, there must be sustained winds of 50 miles per hour either forecast or observed for at least an hour, or gusts of at least 75 miles per hour. For the lower elevations like Denver, the eastern suburbs, and the eastern plains, it takes sustained winds of 40 miles per hour either forecast or observed for at least an hour, or gusts of at least 58 miles per hour. The winds in Colorado were not strong enough for a warning Thursday, but you may have seen CDOT signs warning motorists about high winds. CDOT can issue travel advisories for their highways separate from the National Weather Service warnings. They say there's no real criteria for those advisories. Think of it as a courtesy heads up. Meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen, 9 News.